to watch TV. It's Kanan.
Who?
Kanan. If you put that on YouTube / Facebook. No,
It's going on
not
Facebook.
No, you're not putting it on Facebook.
Yes, I am.
No, just because we're talking about that right now means you can't. Honestly.
Wrap it, Peter.
I will not. Because I'm not Steve. Steve likes this. He likes this kind of music.
You told me about that.
And this one?
Peter, just do that one part of the Red Hot Chili Peppers song. Just
can't.
That's all I want. Can you at least just play it? This is Eminem.
It's Kanan.
Oh. Wait, let me get back to the position that I was in.
I'm not gonna sing it though.
Is it coming?
I don't know. That's the problem. I think it's coming up.
It's coming up.
Ah, damn it, single. It's coming. Yeah.
You have to, please.
I can't.
How about just open your mouth and I'll just say it. Just go like this. Okay.
I'm not gonna do it.
You just look so dumb right there. Okay. You brought just right now. Go. I actually thought that was you for a second.
Stop.